Good morning, children. In the last class, we discussed about the chapter The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. So, in that chapter, old couple had no children. They looked their dog as their own baby. The old man was hard worker, honesty and kind fellow. So, his dog showed him the treasure of gold. So, he was shocked with that. Then he became rich. So, I read the next part of the lesson. Those in an hour the old couple were made rich. The good souls bought a piece of land, made a feast for their friends, and gave plentifully to their poor neighbors. As for the dog, they petted him till they nearly smothered him with kindness. Now, in the same village, there lived a wicked old man and his wife, not a bite sensitive and kind, who had always kicked and scolded all dogs whenever any passed their house. Hearing of their neighbor's good luck, they coaxed the dog into their garden and set before him bites of fish and other dainties, hoping he would find treasure for them. But the dog, being afraid of the cruel pair, would neither hitch nor move. Then they dragged him out of doors, taking a spade and hoe with them. No sooner had the dog got near a pine tree growing in the garden than he began to paw and scratch the ground as if a mighty treasure lay beneath. Quick, wife, hand me the spade and hoe, cried the greedy old fool as he danced with joy. Then the covetous old fellow with a spade and the old crone with a hoe began to dig, but there was nothing but a dead kitten, the smell of which made them drop their tools and shut their noses. Furious at the dog, the old man kicked and beat him to death, and the old woman finished the work by nearly chopping off his head with a sharp hoe. Then they flung him into the hole and heaped the earth over his carcass. The owner of the dog heard of the death of his pet and mourning for him as if he had been his own child, went at night under the pine tree. He set up some bamboo tubes in the ground, such as are used before tombs, in which he put fresh flowers. Then he laid a cup of water and a tray of food on the grave, and burned several costly sticks of incense. He mourned a great while over his pet, calling him many dear names, as if he were alive. So, children, within an hour, the old couple were made rich because the dog showed the old gold treasure to them. So, they bought a piece of land because they were fond of agriculture. So, they showed the agriculture field has a lot of love. So, they arranged a party to the friends. So, they gave plentifully money to the poor neighbor people. So, they were so kind and so kind hearted because they had so many money, gold, treasure. So they were arranged the party to the friends. They arranged a food party to the friends, and then they gave some amount to the poor people. So in the same village there was a wicked old man and his wife. So here wicked means they were evil, mischiefs, they are not good. So the old couples were lived, they were not kind of sensitive and kind. They were always scolded and kicked the neighbor's dog whenever any animal passed their house. So they always scolded the dog, other dogs. So whenever the animals are passed to their near the houses of them. So they heard the good luck of persuaded by Muko. So the old people heard the treasure of good old man and wife get. So they were also greed. So they heard the good luck persuaded by Muko, means dog, to the neighbors. So they take the dog into their garden and set some food like fish to the dog. So they take the Miyuko to their garden and give some food. But their real intention was Miyuko could find the treasure for them. But Miyuko was afraid of cruel bear. He did not eat any food and then he did not move to any place. So then they dragged the dog out of the door and the couple take the spade with hoe. Within a short period, the dog went near a pine tree. So the dog began to paw and scratch the ground. He scratching like if he could might find the treasure to the couple. So suddenly the greedy man said to his wife, "Give me a spade." And he cried and he danced with a joy. So he danced with a joy because Miyuko could find treasure to him. So the greedy people began to dig. So here covetous means greedy people began to dig with a spade, but there is no treasure is available to them. So they only got dead kitten body. So suddenly the couple is very furious about dog. So they beat the dog to death. So there is a carcass means the dead body of the dog into the hole. So they threw the body of the dog into the hole. So they killed the dog and they threw the body of the dog into the hole. So next, in a few days, the owner of the dog heard the news of the dead. Okay, so here the kind old man heard the news of his pet dog. So he mourned for their pet dog because he loved the dog as their own child. So he went under a pine tree. So here the dog was buried. So he went under the pine tree. Then he put some bamboo tubes around the buried of the dog. So see here there is a bamboo trees. Then he put a fresh flowers on them and then he led a cup of water and a full tray of food to the grave and then he burned some incense sticks. So the old man mourned about the pet dog and then he called many loving names of dog. So as he thinks that the dog was still alive. So that night the spirit of the dog appeared to him in a dream and said, "Cut down the pine tree over my grave and make from it a mortar for your rice pastry and a mill for your bean sauce." So on that day the dog would appear him in his dream. Then the dog said that, "Cut down the pine tree over my grave." So the dog said that, "Please cut down the pine tree over on my grave." So the dog said that. So this is your day of lesson. Then we'll continue in the next part. Thank you, children.